10 seconds. That's time up.
Okay, time up.
Time up.
Shadir Pahar. Just now you saw this movie.
Which one?
This is a Bengali movie called Shadir Pahar.
Thinking about Hindi.
Okay, we can have the next couple over here. So,
On, say something English.
skill. There's 25 seconds left.
On the
10 seconds left. Time up. Chennai Express. हो गया पहले से तो डिसाइड नहीं किया ना That's great. We have a winner, I guess. One more couple.
time is going.
वो बता रहे क्या ले क्या डाल रहे
Your time starts now. Time up.
दीवार इतने बार फिरते देखे
Okay. Shivaji.
May we call the last couple, please?
1 minute left.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's right. We have another winner.
Congrats.
Sath Sath hai. Can we have the prizes, please? The other people who won.
Okay, sir. Nice.
For a while, it made us forget many things. Personally, for me, forget all about business. It was meditative in many ways, and I would say it was an excellent show put together. I enjoyed dance. I enjoyed what is that? Kaliud Ka Insaf. It was fantastic. Well done. So it's a great evening, and I'll remember it for many more. I would say weeks and months. With this day, it reminds me the last we had such a sort of family get together. You recall we went to Vasai, Great Escape. That was how many years back and today. So I thank you for all of you for this evening. More importantly, if I were to talk about the FZD team, it's making us proud every time we hear something wonderful is happening on your end. The team which sits with me in Unnati and the team which sits in Dubai. There's some fantastic happenings every time I hear, when I attend the MRM. And Mudit is like Shah Rukh, I would say. Eternally confident, eternally successful, and eternally encouraging. So you have a great leader with you. So let's clap for him. Because this effort which he started, actually for CNA, I was the first one to go to Bahrain long back when Kanuz invited us. I went there for 7-8 days, and I used to wonder how would we do in a business in a place like this, where everything was so difficult. I felt, and FZD team has achieved some fantastic things. It also reminds me of those phrase which used to come in that serial Star Trek. I think there was some Captain Kirk there, and there was this one dialogue in that. What? The place where no one has gone before, and something. So it is like, conquering the uncharted frontiers of universe. So this is conquering the uncharted frontiers of the business. So great work. I was actually happy when I heard, when we gathered here, sitting here, that how you have made telecom a success, how ELV as a business is success. So sooner or later we also would want to try all this. And the one theme I want to leave with all of you is FZD and Unnati put together, we should clock this 1,000 crore mark at the earliest. It's my personal desire that we should say CNA is 1,000 crores. So this, the people who work in office should always remind themselves, and I thank all the families who are supporting CNAites to do so very well. I thank you all for being so nice, so cooperative to your husband or wife, whosoever is working with us, allowing them to do all that they are doing in office. So thank you very much. And once again, wonderful evening. I'll remember it for long. Thank you so much.
It's only Ruby. Now we have to say, does she call you JKC?
And sometimes she also tells. Good evening to all.
Good evening, sir.
What should I say? I would like to say this way that you said when I saw this invitation day before yesterday, the invitation came. that yes, last year we enjoyed this. I think that last year it was sometime, I think in December. December. I think it was March with the Christmas party after that kind of thing. So it was a wonderful. So I thought, yes, of course, another wonderful thing. This event is going to come. But so first of all, I must thank everybody here. That all family members, everybody whoever is here participating in this event. And because this is a great, success, I would say what Sandeep has mentioned in his thing, that going all the way away from the family and all this our home front comfort zone, I would say, and doing business, it's not so easy. Any change when it comes, it's very difficult to accept. So when few years back when FZD has started, in fact, couple of persons I thought I must mention here, those who are currently is not here in this function. One of the name crosses in my mind is, apart from Mudit. Mudit is led this whole thing, is the leader. But apart from Mudit, I would say like Amit Garsoon. I think some of the name coming in my mind, crossing my mind, like Saikat Sen. Those are the very first people who are sort of ventured on this area. I remember, I think Amit Garsoon has gone as the first commissioning of the service engineer, if I recall, and giving the comfort to the customer, and that we are also here in this country, we are part of you, we are not outsider. So that kind of comfort, I think he must have given well to he and of course subsequently whoever joined the team. So that is a fantastic thing, and the results started speaking. All this, this FZD is flourishing, and one after other new. Even I would say that one good thing which FZD has started, in fact, showing that it is not that only we can do business in our known territory or the known field or the known verticals where we are currently doing business. There are some of the other area which we have never ventured, like Sandeep mentioned, like telecom, now extra low voltage ELV area. Like I understand that you did a fantastic work in some stadium. So we have never thought of. In fact, this kind of always leaders shows us new path. So I think Mudit is leading that as an example. In his example, he is giving this. So these are the really inspiring to all of us here as well as the team here. And I would say the team, one particular thing about Mudit, in fact, whatever I know him for long, that passion for results, that is the ultimate. That unless there is a passion for result, passion for conquer, you can't achieve any height. And whichever height he has taken that FZD and go further up in this sky, the sky is the only limit. Because in fact we have seen our own film, Imagineering, that only our limitation is the mind. In fact there is nothing called limitation. Limitations are all in the mind. And Mudit tried to show these kind of things to others. So this kind of passionate work which the team is doing, and very well supported by the Indian team here in the back end. In fact it is a marvelous job. And I also share the same dream of Sandeep. In fact, today also we have discussed the same thing. That हम लोग का 1,000 crore होगा, So ठीक है, individually we may not be, these two unit independently may 1,000 crore may take some time, but collectively 1,000 crore is, I think it is not very far. I think that we should touch. I think we should touch next year, collectively we should touch 1,000 crore next year. Definitely, I think we will touch the 1,000 crore, because without 1,000 crore reality में थोड़ा problem है. So
इज्जत का सवाल है.
हाँ, इज्जत का सवाल है. I think so. Let's strive for it that collectively we should touch 1,000 crore. And from our side, from yours, I would say that Mudit, that I understand that you are increasing the team strength here. So all supports from whatever is the facilities and few things. In my currently some of my new responsibilities, I will try to extend more and more supports to the team, whoever is going to join this facility. In fact, we are going to extend all supports. So please feel free. It's a very excellent, vibrating team, and that some of the vibration we have even seen in some of the performance. In fact, this kind of performance shows that team coordination. In fact, I must thank to both the coordinators. There are 3 coordinated performance. One is that female performance, another is that dance performance, another that skit. So all the 3 coordinated performance was fantastic, and that reflection shows in the workplace, and that's the reason I think we are going to rock further. So all the best from my side. Thank you.
and thank you JKC for those nice words. I think first of all, welcome all the families of all of our colleagues, and it's truly a delight to work with everybody around, because business cannot succeed unless everyone works together. And all of you, everyone who's joined us today or who joined us yesterday or day before yesterday, is very much a part of our team, including this little one who came first time last year when Rupali was just to join us. So we're all happy and fortunate that all of you are there with us, and like I shared in the morning today, many more to come, because we've targeted to grow the India team to 90 people, and therefore we are hoping that next year when we do our annual day, we have much larger plays to do, because 90 people and their families, so we should be over 120, 130 people. Coming back to what Sandeep said as a dream of reaching 1,000 crores, and JKC echoed the same. I think I can say on behalf of the team that 2014-15, we should make C&A collectively, the domestic and the international business, cross 1,000 crores. I want to give you that assurance that we are working towards it, and I think we will not be able to cross 500 crore mark, even though we are setting ourselves a benchmark next year to do about 500. But if you do about 550, we do 450, I think we should reach 1,000 crore. So let's clap for planning for next year to reach 1,000 crore mark between C&A and LTFZE together. I also thank JKC for extending support, and of course Mr. Patil, because we are going to ramp up our India team to about 90 people in, I would say, in just about 90 days. Our target is to ramp up the India operations by June end to about 90 people. So we are going to have lots of requests to you coming to say we need more plays, we need more infrastructure and all that, because if we have to reach that kind of a business volume, this year I think we will be roughly about 320, 340 crores or so. So if we have to go to 500 crores or 450 crores next year, we want to ramp up the India team and make sure that you provide us, help us provide the infrastructure, and therefore we can do that. If there's a happy place, happy minds, the family, each one of us, like we talked in the morning, will be happy, and I assure you that all of us will work together as a team and grow the business together. Thank you once again for the splendid performance each one of you put together today, and some excellent games. All of them, starting with Mugdha and everybody, because to sing a Japanese song is not simple, because it's a different language. You are not born with that language. But each one of you and each one of the team members have really done an excellent job. Putting such a performance together has been a great achievement, and I want to thank all the organizers for doing such a great job. And we hope that each year we do it better and better, so that our quest for excellence remains and we achieve what we are working towards. Thank you very much.
The DJ is ready, so hit out on the dance floor. Many of us are feeling hungry like me, so for us dinner is also ready. Signing off the hosts for today, Sambhav Jain and Devarshi Mishra. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.